Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a tutorial on how I lay my wig. This is an install from CurlsCurls. I mean the wig itself is from CurlsCurls. It is an 18-inch lace front natural curly wig. It is called the Lora wig. I will put all the details in the description box below so that you guys can go and purchase it should you wish to. So when I got this hair, you'll see in the actual video itself there wasn't much that was done to it. It just came as is, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I customize the hair for myself, as well as how I lay this wig. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how I actually style like this front right here, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Miriam Maulana, and you will see a tutorial on my Instagram page as well. So I really do hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video. I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy this new segment that I'm going to be bringing to you guys. I know I've brought you guys a lot of DIYs, I've brought you guys a lot of like natural hair tutorials, but I've decided to diversify and also start bringing you guys virgin hair and wig tutorials. So everything from coloring, styling, slaying, laying, customizing, everything. I want to bring you guys so much detail that you will be able to lay and slay your wigs from home. So I'm so excited. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. Lora wig from CurlsCurls comes in a box that you can later use for storage. In the box you have a pamphlet with details on how you can take care of your hair, as well as product suggestions, combs, an elastic band for extra security, and a wig cap. In addition, they also have a flyer with all their contact information and social media handles. The unit is a 3x6 parting space, a 3B 3C natural curly wig, and the curls start from the root all the way down to the tip. It's 150% density. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline and is lightly bleached with 3 adjustable combs and 2 straps. Off camera, I went ahead and bleached the knots just a little, and now I'm going to go back into the hairline and pluck it, but not too intense since it's already a pre-plucked hairline. I'm parting the space in front to make sure that I don't overdo the plucking. I'm going to start my plucking process after the parting that I've just done. Important note, I plucked my hairline whilst the hair was wet and straight after washing and conditioning. After braiding the front, I'm going to go in and spritz my hair with water mixed in with conditioner. Then I'm going to follow that by brushing through my curls using a paddle brush. If you have a Denman brush, you can also go in and use a Denman brush or your fingers just to define the curls. I follow that up with my African Pride curling cream before brushing through again with my brush and just going in with my fingers and that water. If you want your curls to pop, you need to make water your friend. The same way that you would take care of curly hair is exactly the same way that you take care of your curly wig. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Jackie Style and Shine Freeze Petrol Setting Mousse, as well as the Grapeseed and Style Shine Recipes Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist. For a beginner friendly lace cut, I suggest using a lighter pencil or eyeliner to trace your edges so you know the perimeter guide for cutting your lace. So I'm just going to go in with a like blush pink eyeliner, and I'm just going to trace my hairline like exactly where my hairline stops, so that I know where and how to cut my hairline, as well my lace front, as well as the shape to go in, because you don't want to make it too straight because your hairline isn't straight. So you kind of want to follow the guides of your existing hairline so that your lace looks snatched, honey. And now after doing that, I'm going to apply some or a little bit more of my mousse to get the hair in the front out of the way so I can cut my lace. I'm to go in with a small scissors after making sure that my wig is placed in the right position. Cutting your lace in sections makes for easier and more precise cutting. So I'm going to start in the center, then in the sides, just making small slits, and then following that up and cutting in the same shape or style that I traced my hairline. That way I can be sure that this wig is going to be cut precisely and that it's going to fit perfectly, because I don't want to have my hairline showing up more and yet I cut it straight. So if you want your wig to look snatched, you need to try this. I think it's such a good way to make sure that your wig is cut to match your existing hairline. I know that it's a wig, but you know, we're trying to make it look like it's growing from our scalps, honey, like lace wear. Okay, now that I am sure that my wig is in the right place, I'm going to go ahead and lay my wig. To lay my lace, I'm going to be using a combination of the Got2b glue, blasting free spray, and the Got2b styling gel for your edges. That's the one that comes in the yellow spray bottle and the black tube. Now that the black tube is your styling gel. I'm going to just apply that along the front of where my wig is supposed to go, and then you can use a blow dryer on cool, or just sit down and wait for it to get tacky. But if you feel like it will take too long, like I'm doing, I'm just going to go in with a paper and just blow it dry or into its tackiness, and then I'm going to just now move my lace into position and lay it. I'm using my rat tail comb because it goes into spaces that my fingers won't. You can go in or follow through with your blasting spray if you feel like there are any parts of your wig that aren't fastened properly, and then you can follow that up by tying your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you haven't done your makeup, you can use this opportunity to do your makeup. I'm going to follow that up by trimming the hair I sectioned off for my edges and then slaying them, honey. So I'm just going to trim them first, and I'm just going to be using a small, you can use a razor, you can use a scissors, but using a razor will probably be easier because it means that you're not going to be cutting them straight, because no one's edges are straight and no one's hair is actually like straight. So using that is way easier. And then this wig came to play and stayed to slay, hunty. So that is the detailed way that I have been slaying my wigs. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Well, of course down is below. Please leave them in the description, in the comment section below. Yeah guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. So look at that slayage, honey. This wig is the bomb.com. Okay, so things to note. Woo! This tutorial, my preggy back hurt so badly. My word, you guys, I love you so much, because damn. Anywho, so things to note are, number one, I think I want to figure out how I would like to lay my edges for these installs. I'm happy with the way that I've done it today, but I just want to kind of explore different ways to do it, the same way that I do when I have my natural hairstyles. So yeah, but other than that, this hair is so soft, like really soft. I had like minimal shedding when I was washing and combing the hair through, and I'm sure as you saw, you guys, it didn't smell like hair. You know, like sometimes you get hair and it smells like hair. No, it didn't have any of that, and it dries so well. It feels really good to touch, and also when I was combing, it didn't shed, so I'm happy with that. And then as for everything else. I am so excited to kind of explore the looks that I can achieve with this hair. So for those of you that might have missed the part, I was saying that this is the Lora wig. I got it in an 18-inch, and should you guys like to purchase the hair, you can use the code Miriam and I will be able to get 5% commission. I just think that's something that you guys should know, but I really do appreciate your support. So yeah guys, if you'd like to get yourself this install, it's easy to style. Honestly, you could rock it without even putting this, because the curls are so beautiful. It will look like actual hair. Like it's amazing. I mean, the feel of it. But I will be bringing you guys a review after some time of wearing it and using it and washing it, just so that you guys can get like an idea of how well the hair lasts, and like, so you know when you invest in the hair what you're investing in. So yeah guys, thank you so much. I feel like I'm breathing really heavily. I'm pregnant guys, like I'm super pregnant, like really pregnant. So I need you guys to just bear with me. But yeah, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. I love you so much. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.